This is the new control center. Many more options to choose from. If you swipe down, you have the music and then all of your connecting controls, which is super cool. They also added a bunch more that you can put onto the control center if you want. I usually just add the things I use the most, which is my flashlight, low power mode, screen recording, Shazam, calculator, and quick notes. Oh, and I added voice memo and the QR code, because I feel like that could come into handy. There's a new passwords app instead of having passkey in the settings. I thought that this was pretty useful. Just another new app that comes with the software. It has all your Wi-Fi passwords, it has all your security problems, and you can also share your passwords with a trusted contact. Now if we go into settings, go to general and software update, you can see we're on the beta iOS 18. Here's what it looks like for all of your settings and options under general. This is what it looks like. It's a little bit shorter of a menu because apps has its own little folder, so it made the menu shorter. But for the most part, everything looks the same. Here is the messages where you can change the font and the way that it looks. This is me just texting my mom. As you can see, the text got big as we were typing. You can bold it, italicize it, underline it. We've been waiting for this for years. I wanted to see if there was anything different in here. There really wasn't, but you can also now schedule a text message. Now, this only works for people who have the updates, all of these features, but she never responded saying she got this scheduled text right that second. So I feel like this option is going to work now, even if the recipient doesn't have the update yet. Now you can turn icons into a widget. It gives you a few options on which size. This helps for the icon. Now to change the color, you just hold down the app until you see the plus sign in the top left and then hit customize, and it will let you change the size of the app, dark mode, light mode, or you can tint the app color. This is me doing purple since it is my favorite color.